equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your ASUS UX333FAC and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the 10 screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a can of compressed air to clean it out. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It's typically secured by a few screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard, as this could cause damage. After disconnecting, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. It's essential to make sure the connection is secure to avoid any power issues later on. Next, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the battery is secure. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace the 10 screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are all tightened adequately. Finally, turn your laptop back over and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any concerns you may have. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your ASUS UX333FAC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech tips and guides. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.